All right, so this is a pretty easy job here. We're gonna replace the light for this shifter because, you know, this thing is kind of a pain. You get in and you can't see anything and you're trying to figure out whether you're in drive or third, and not a big deal, pretty easy job. So just lift this up. These are 7mm, or you can also use a 9/32. A 9/32 will work as well. And then you just want to carefully take this bezel out, put it over here. Okay, so take this off. We're just gonna turn it over here. Now you can use a tool to do this, but I mean, honestly, by hand, you're less likely to break anything. So I kind of like that. You can see there's these little plastic tabs right here, but this is real easy. Again, just take your fingers, reach under and pull it and get around those plastic tabs. Very easy. You could use a pick tool or something, but you don't need to. I mean, look how easily that came off. So this is where our little light hides right here. So I am just going to use some pliers for this part. Okay, and I'm turning it that way. Okay, turning it this way. Twist it that way, and now it should come down and out. I think I got to go a little more. So put it forward, twist it this way, and now should come down. Okay, a little bit more. So start in the front like this and twist it this way. And if you got big fat sausage fingers like me, just use a pair of pliers. So it comes down and out, and boom, there's our bulb right there. Okay, so if you look down in the fixture, if you look at the bulb, there is like a long, you know, it's thin this way, okay? So if you look down in the fixture, that's that way. The way you want to get this out is just kind of rock it little that long way. There we go, it popped out. And put that in our little tray over there. And put this one in. And then put the parking lights on. Boom, there it is, nice and bright, perfect. So let's just put this thing back together. So you just gotta kind of monkey with it a little bit. It lines up. You can see these two slides right here. It goes right here in the middle, and then push it back in. And then again, I'm gonna use the pliers now, starting from the back, and just turn it towards the front. There we go. You can see it twisting in. Yeah, just don't put too much pressure on the pliers. There we go. It's nice and tight. Toy as a tiger. All right, let's see here. Oh yeah, that's a beauty. Oh man, now I can tell we're not in third gear instead of drive. Snap it on. Oh, look at that. It's a thing of beauty. Wonderful. All right, let's put this thing back together. Pretty simple job. I use the pliers to twist the light out. Just don't put a ton of pressure on it when you're doing that. Okay, and just snap this back in. There you go, snaps in nice and easy. That was a piece of cake. Take our chrome bezel, put it back on. All right, look at that. Now we get in our car and it's dark out. Oh yeah, that's a beauty. Now we can see the numbers. All right. So there it is. I mean, the whole job took about 5 minutes, 5-10 minutes. Beautiful. Nice. So that's a pretty easy job. Just thought I'd do a quick little video, give you guys an eyes on the parts and pieces. That bulb is legit tiny. So again, you kind of look at the long side and kind of rock it to get it out of the fixture. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, all that wonderful stuff, and we'll see you next time on Kevin's Garage.